Welcome again to my channel. Today I want to share a brand new fixed return on investment farmer with you from the same people who created the popular BUSD Farmer. The BUSD Farmer Reborn Edition pays out a static 2% daily on your BUSD stable coins. Before you can deposit into the contract, you need to approve the spending in MetaMask first. When done, you can deposit your BUSD tokens and start earning 2% daily fixed interest. An 8% tax is charged, divided in a 2% fee that goes to the community wallet, a 5% marketing fee on every withdrawal or reinvest, and a 3% tax fee on withdrawals only. This should keep the smart contract alive for a long time, in contrast to those high payout farmers that run dry very fast. There's also an anti-hoarding feature built in the contract, to make people withdraw their interest within 48 hours. If not, the interest will stop accumulating. This is a special safety option, to prevent sharks taking out a lot of money from the contract at the same time and make it go to zero. The people behind the BUSD Farmer Reborn Edition are very well known. They run the Token Miner website and they answer all your questions on their Telegram. Like all smart contracts, this one runs entirely on its own. Nobody can change the code when it's deployed, and no money can be taken out. You can check the contract on BSC Scan to see what people are doing. It's a good habit to always check the contract before you invest any money in these dApps to see if the contract is still healthy. If the contract is draining out, and more people are cashing out than investing, then I would not put money in it. It's simple, but many people still don't make the effort. Just remember that once you put your money in, you cannot take it out. You can only withdraw your interest, and when the contract balance goes to zero, you will no longer receive interest. That's why it's wise to get in early in these contracts, so you get your initial investment back as soon as possible, and from there it's pure profit. If you would like to find out first about these new contracts and dApps, please join my Cryptocoiners Telegram or Discord server. It's free, and you will always get the latest mining tips and farmers first. I will drop both the Telegram and Discord link below. And please don't forget, this is crypto. With high reward comes high risk. These farmers come and go, and nothing is guaranteed. Always do your own research before you invest your money. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get the latest videos first. Have a wonderful day. Always do your own research before you invest in crypto. Thanks again for watching my video to the end, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the beautiful bell to get all my latest videos first. Have a great day.